helium-4 has 2 protons and 2 neutrons. If you want to find the mass of helium-4, you'd multiply 2 by the mass of protons in atomic mass units plus 2 by the mass of neutrons in atomic mass units. You'd get 4.033 U. However, the actual mass of helium is 4.0026 U, and this number is smaller than this number. Now, if you subtract this actual mass from the expected mass, you'd get 0.0304, and this is called mass defect. Now, using Einstein's E equals mc squared, we know that any mass could be converted into energy. You use this formula if you have mass in kilograms. However, we know that one atomic mass unit equals to 931.49 mega electron volts and not joules. So, if you want to find the amount of energy a mass in atomic mass units would make, you just multiply the mass by 931.49 mass in U, and you'll get the energy in mega electron volts. So you could convert the mass defect into energy by multiplying it by 931.49, and you'll get energy in mega electron volts. So mass defect could be converted into energy called the binding energy of the nucleus. So when the nucleons, the protons and neutrons bind to make a nucleus, mass is converted into energy to bind this nucleus together. So we lose mass to get energy to bind the nucleus. Now the nucleus has less mass, more energy, and releases energy when broken apart. You could also find the average binding energy per nucleon. This is by finding the binding energy, which is 931.49 times the mass defect in atomic mass units over the mass number, which is the sum of protons and neutrons. The greater the binding energy of an atom, the more stable the atom. So an atom with binding energy of 2 is more stable than an atom with an average binding energy of 1. Helium has a greater average binding energy than hydrogen. So helium is more stable than hydrogen, and in a fusion reaction, helium fuses with hydrogen to make an even more stable atom. Uranium, which is a very heavy nucleus, is very unstable. Uranium goes fission and breaks apart into smaller, more stable nuclei that have a greater average binding energy. Subscribe, like, and always achieve more.